Welcome to Alcina's Hobby Fun. Welcome to Alcina's Hobby Fun.
Today, Alcina will be making some creative, funky fridge magnets.
We really did.
And this morning, Alcina, what she did is she mixed the powdery white and made it into like a toothpaste consistency, and then just poured it in the molds here. So, and now because it's a hot day, they're pretty dry. Right, so now Alcina's going to take them out and she's going to shape them up and paint them. We've got our paint, we've got our brush, we've got our little bit here where you take off the excess around the moldings, and so yes, don't lose your moldings, Alcina. We can always redo them at a later stage. Alright honey, so tidy them up around.
Okay.
And let's get cracking. They're really easy to do. All you got to do is just push them out carefully from the molds.
Oh no!
And
Oh no!
they're out. So just really
No!
carefully push them out.
No!
What happened?
I broke.
So there they are. And you've really... Alcina, you tidy them up, please. And Mummy will help you out here. Here you can see a dinosaur. And here's another dinosaur. There's another one there. Yeah, they're super cool. Once they're all painted, it'll be easier to know what is what. So, alright, let's clean them up. Alcina, let's clean them up, hon. Okay. Alcina has cleaned all her molds here, and now she's going to start painting them. And when they're all dry, we're going to put the little magnets at the back, and then easy, we've got our fridge magnets. So let's get cracking, Alcina. Let's get painting, honey.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. Beautiful. So. Okay, we are back. All the nice animals have dried. All Alcina's creations are looking amazing. They've all dried beautifully.
There's why it was a corner.
Looking gorgeous. All the funky fridge magnets are looking absolutely gorgeous. Now, we've got these cute little magnets. And what we're going to do now is we're going to mix another batch of the plaster. We're going to wet a bit here.
You make
and
pasta?
pop it in there. So that's our next step. Let them dry, and then Alcina is going on the
Guys.
Okay, we popped the magnets at the back, and Alcina has got a really awesome magnetic board that she uses, and she's decided to put them on there, and they're looking super awesome. So Alcina, you could also put them on your fridge, right? If you want to put them on your fridge, you can put them on your fridge. You can put them on any magnetic surface. Super awesome. Alcina, what do you give this project, honey? Out of 10. What do you give it?
10.
10 out of 10. And was it enjoyable? Enjoyable, yes, you liked it. Alright, what do you want everyone to do for your channel? Thumbs up! Subscribe! And write a comment of what do you think of our magnets? Right, Alcina? Yeah! Alright, take care everyone. Bye.
Pee in my pants.
Bye-bye.
Poopy.
Bye.
I didn't pee in my pants.